Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make 20 liters of dishwashing liquid. So the ingredients: urea, formalin, CDE, SDBS, slace, dye, and salt, guys. So yeah guys, let's start mixing. And perfume, guys. So guys, here's our water. It's 15 liters. So we are going to put SDBS. So our SDBS 2.5. 2.5 SDBS. And then we put slace 3 liters. We are making 20 liters, guys, of dishwashing liquid. And guys, please, when you start to mix this thing, look for something to measure, guys. Maybe a measuring jug or a measuring scale, because if you don't measure, you won't get it right. So please guys, measurement is very important here. And then our urea is 200 milliliter. And our CDE 200 milliliter. Then our formalin, guys, 1 tablespoon. So our formalin is for our dishwasher not to get rotten. And then half teaspoon of dye, guys. So you dilute it with water. You put a half teaspoon and pour water. Now we mix it together. And then we put our salt, and the salt is 1 liter. And then we mix it together. So now the salt is our thickener in this process. You know, when we mix pine gel, our thickener is pine oil. Now here, yeah guys, salt is our thickener in this process. In pine gel, our thickener is pine oil. So here is the salt. So we mix it together. So guys, if you hear my voice, otherwise I'm so sorry guys. I have this terrible, terrible flu, or maybe if you hear me coughing here and there, I have a serious flu. Sorry, this flu doesn't want to leave me alone. I'm fighting flu left, right, and center. So we are mixing it together. We are mixing it together. So guys, we put 1 spoon of perfume. Our dishwasher is coming right, guys. You see the foam is disappearing. So guys, when you mix this, please look for something to measure, because you won't get it right if you are not measuring. People are crying saying, yo myself, we tried to make this, it didn't come out right, and we tried this and it didn't come right like yours. It's because you are not measuring, guys. If you are measuring things okay, it won't give you a problem. It's coming all right. It's coming okay. Dishwasher is ready. Can you see this, guys? Wow. Wow. So yeah, guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for support. See you on my next video.